Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. You guys can see we took a schmack trade today. Happy Monday. This is the last trade I'll be taking of the year of 2024, and it was a beautiful trade, absolutely beautiful trade. We literally caught the very bottom of this move right here on the 15-minute. This was a really simple, easy, clean setup. Like, I would have taken this trade most likely every single time I ever seen this trade pop up. It was a very easy mechanical model that I trade every single day. But we'll go over the trade. Let me just I'll have to delete everything, but I just want to go over, or I'll talk about that once we get there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove all the drawings, or I'll remove all the drawings and just do a very simple trade recap here. So starting on the daily time frame, we have been having a huge sell-off here, but we really, personally, I don't really know if we're bullish. I can't really tell if we're bullish or bearish. I think we might be starting to be bearish, but if we do look on the weekly, we're still bullish on a weekly time frame. The weekly time frame is very bullish, though, as we're in that fair value gap. I'll be looking to be bearish once we trade through that. So potentially next week if we're bearish this whole week. Anyway, daily time frame, I was kind of just looking in here thinking, okay, well, could be bullish, and I decided to do a fib retrace here, and we are respecting OTE very nicely. So we have daily OTE coming to a 4-hour time frame. We swept out sell side liquidity here. So we took out all the sell side liquidity. As well, we were trading in a 4-hour fair value gap. So we're trading in a 4-hour fair value gap. We swept sell side and we're in daily OTE. So I'm thinking, okay, well, there's definitely potential of us going to the upside here. Maybe even seeing a little retracement, but I'd like to catch that. Coming down to the 1-hour time frame, we had this unfilled 1-hour fair value gap right here. Okay, so we had this unfilled 1 hour as well, an unfilled above that, which we're currently trading into as we speak. So we have 2 of the checkpoints off. We have an external liquidity sweep, adding an extra confluence. We're in OTE of the daily. We're in a 4-hour fair value gap, so check that box off. Now it's looking down to the lower time frames. Okay, what's next? Well, we have unfilled hourly above. Check the unfilled box off. Now what do we look for? We're looking for like an internal SMT, and then we're going to look for equal highs, equal lows, etc., etc. So dropping down to the 1-minute time frame, and this is where I'm going to get rid of all of my this. When was the trade taken? It's right here. Okay. It's gonna be really it doesn't look clean because my computer is, I don't know what's going on with it right now. It's never been like this. It's never been this glitching in its life. It's very strange. Anyways, so we had that unfilled 1 hour above, and we have all those other confluences that I was just mentioning telling us that we're going to go to the upside. Jeez, this is actually brutal. What is going on here? Okay, so coming down to the lower time frames, we do have equal highs that we're resting right here. They're pretty equal highs. They're pretty close. So we have these equal highs here, so we can check that box off. And then this is honestly just like some low resistant liquidity, right? This is just stacking highs, trend line, break out of that, boom, rock it up. So basically I was just waiting for a sign for a reversal, and we got this beautiful SMT right here. I believe it comes a little bit lower, actually. Yeah, it comes lower. So we get this beautiful SMT right here. I'm like, perfect, this is super clean. I'm gonna hop in on the first fair value gap we see, which the first and highest time frame was this 1 minute. We did have a 2-minute up here on this 1 minute, but it's far enough for me to take this. So I sat on my hands and I waited. And the second we inversed it, which was, it took a while. Right there, boom, I entered the trade. Entered in long. Stop was at the low here, at the SMT low. And then you guys know what we do. We do 1 to 2, and we also had a lot of resting liquidity, so I liked all that. Took the trade, just came back down a little bit, and then just ripped up higher. Taking out all take profits right away. So this trade was actually so clean. I was a little iffy on taking it just because obviously it's December 30th, I believe. It's December 30th, yeah. So it was really iffy just because it's December 30th, it's Monday, and just overall, like, I don't know, PA isn't the greatest in this time of year, but recently with the strategy I've been trading, it's been unreal, and adding this SMT here has been game-changing too, because we had this 1 minute inverse fair value gap, but there was no SMT, and it failed. We had this 1 minute inverse fair value gap, no SMT, it failed. But as soon as we present an SMT and then inverse a fair value gap, we hit all our TPs and the reversal happens. Adding this, adding an internal SMT, like just this, even the smallest 1 minute SMT has literally been game changing for this. So we'll keep this going. Backtesting has been really well, but this is the last trade I'm taking of the year, and yeah, we'll be seeing you guys back in the new year. Hope you guys have a fantastic new year. I'm starting up a fresh funded account as well. I got a little surprise for the New Year's I'm pretty excited to do. I don't know how well it's going to work, but we'll update you guys weekly on this thing that I'm going to be doing, and I'll let you guys know in the new year, on New Year's Day potentially, or we'll figure that out in the next video. But yeah, anyways, if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. If you took a trade today, or if you took this trade today, let me know in the comments down below. It's a beautiful trade. I believe this guy this guy just keeps running too. It comes down, would have taken me out of break even if I would have entered that trade regardless, but keeps going up. So it was a beautiful trade, absolute banger. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys took a trade. Are you green, red, break even on the day? Do you guys are staying away till the New Year's? And if you guys want, I have my free Discord. Link will be in the description. 100% free. Once I get enough people in there, I'm going to start live trading. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.